This is the morning of the 6th of November. Clip on CNBC by Yun Lee. That's Yun, Y-U-N. Second name is Lee, L-I. Title: Prediction Market Traders Slash Odds Trump Tariff Survives Supreme Court Ruling. Someone's holding up a sign, terrified, exclamation mark. Traders slashed odds that Supreme Court will uphold President Donald Trump's aggressive tariffs after the justice on Wednesday signaled doubts about the legality of the administration's sweeping trade powers. There's no legality. They're totally illegal. The Constitution is perfectly clear. On Kalshi, contracts tied to whether the court would rule in favor of Trump's tariffs slipped to about 30%, from nearly 50% before Wednesday's hearing. A similar contract on platform Polymarket dropped to about 30% from more than 40% earlier in the week, reflecting traders' growing belief that the justices may strike down the policy. The move comes after several conservative justices joined their liberal colleagues in expressing unease about the broad authority Trump claimed under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act to impose tariffs on imports. They sharply questioned Solicitor General J. John Sauer on the Trump administration's legal justification of the tariffs, which critics say infringes on the power of Congress to tax. Lower federal courts have ruled that Trump lacked the legal authority to impose the so-called reciprocal tariffs on imports from many U.S. trading partners, and fentanyl tariffs on products from Canada, China, and Mexico. Prediction markets, which allows traders to bet on real-world events, often react swiftly to perceived signals during high-profile court hearings. Wednesday's shift suggested that traders viewed the justice's tone as an indicator of headwinds for the president's trade agenda. He doesn't care what they say. He's already said he doesn't care what they say. The Supreme Court will not issue a decision in this case on Wednesday. It is not clear when the court will release its ruling. Nothing more important than for them to get off their ropes and get this thing done. And let's see what that moron does. You know, the guy that's, I think, 3/4 brain dead with dementia. He's out of his effing mind. You don't want to hear it? Don't listen.